Let me take you behind the scenes of what I'm doing and what it takes to actually organize an RV. So all of the after pictures of the RV remodels that you see, they're pretty. Everything's put in its place. Everything is organized. But what do you do to get there? And nobody tells you this, but remodeling an RV when you're living in it is so much harder than remodeling an RV that nobody is living in. However, it does give you the chance to really think about functionality and practicality when you're remodeling and thinking about like spots to put everything and ways to organize it. And I'm gonna show you Scarlett right now. My mom and my brother have moved in. They've been living here for a week, and I've been working on projects here and there around their stuff, which is so hard because they have so much stuff. This is just my mom's master area. The doors are not on yet because I have to organize before we put the doors on. And my brother's, I've reorganized his den like at least 4 times. So this is what it looks like. This is her hallway. She's got stuff upon stuff upon stuff. And mind you, she's already gotten rid of 3/4 of the things that she had before. And I'm not even close to starting or being done with organizing all her little things. Like, why do you need all of these hair ties? Why? And why do you need a million scrunchies? And that's like only part of it. Hold on, this bag is like filled with scrunchies and random things. Like, what is in here? Why do you need this? Y'all, nobody has this much hair. Nobody.